AK sir, your English language tutor.
Boil down to reduce the amount of liquid by cooking it. Boil down the sauce in the pan until it becomes thicker. Boil down to eat very quickly. John was in a hurry, so he bolted down his breakfast and ran to the door. Eat up to eat all the food on your plate. Michael is a good boy. He eaten up all the food. Mix in to add a liquid or other substance in another. Mix in the butter with dry ingredients. Pick at to eat slowly and in small bites. Peter wasn't hungry, so he picked at his lunch while watching TV. Warm up to heat a meal which have been cooked before. I want to warm up milk before I pour it into my coffee. Whip up to prepare food quickly. I don't have time, so I'll whip up the omelette.